Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. As I told you last week, a lady has been asking about this pattern, which I don't recommend for beginners. I'm going to try and do it so it's more beginner friendly. Now, I've still got bits of this fabric left that I used, so I'm going to use them, so you'll be able to compare the one we make and the one I've done here. These triangles are basically a 60-degree triangle, and there's my ruler on it so you can see it. Yes, I've got the tape on the back of it. That's what I did for when I was making these, because it hadn't got the right, it didn't take it to a point high enough that I wanted. 60-degree ruler, that would be brilliant for this. If you haven't got a 60-degree ruler, if you have a look on your rulers, I don't know if you'll make this out, there are lines that's, if I had it the right way around, it'd help. That's a 45 degree, there's a 30 degree and there's a 60. You might make it out better on my larger ruler. As you can see, the lines, there are 60 degrees. So I'm going to do it using, I'll use it, although they're only little squares, little triangles, I'll be using this one because then you'll be able to make it out hopefully a lot easier. And I'll do it on the white fabric that I'm going to put in the middle, not on these triangular ones because you won't see them. So I'll do just the white ones at the moment. I've neatened this edge up, and I really need to be around the bottom of my table, but the tripod is there, so I'm going to do a double ruler method. We need 4-inch strip, so if you put one ruler down on the 4-inch line, slide your other one up to it, that will give you now 4 inches. That's all I'm doing, is just one strip of white at 4 inches. Here's my 4-inch strip. Get your ruler, whatever size ruler you've got. If it's triangle, 60-degree triangle, that will be more beneficial. But you can do it with a square ruler that's got your 60-degree lines on it. So there is mine. And if you line that up with the bottom of your strip, then that will be a 60-degree angle for you. And to show you, I don't know if it will make it out, that is the side of the triangle. So it's all lined up. I'm doing several layers at a time here. Now when you're doing down the other side, the edge that you've just cut, put your 60-degree line on that. You can see with the triangle ruler it will be right. So 60-degree line on the line you cut, and then cut down there. And it hasn't cut away every little bit. It has done on some of them. I think I might need my blade changing. But don't worry if that happens. Just take your scissors and do that. So now we've got the edge. So you want your 60-degree line. Where's it? I'll put it down there now. And put it against the bottom again. And just to show you that this is still working out, that will give you the triangle there. So we cut there. Hello. And there's some more triangles. We're not going to need many. In fact, I probably only need 6, but I've done a bit more. Never mind. They're there, and I'm going to cut out others now in the same way as I just did those. Just a little show and tell as well. This is how my whole cloth quilt is at the moment. I've been working on it for about a week now. I spent a lot of time actually on it, several days. I will not be doing a tutorial on this one because it's Jean Harrison's pattern design, and she does the best tutorial going on this actual one, which is the cabin in the woods. So I suggest check it. If you're interested in Freemason quilting, definitely go and check her channel out. Unfortunately she died earlier this year, but she was absolutely brilliant and a very good teacher. I learned so much from her videos. But I'm taking it bigger than this. Is the size that she did, but I'm taking it bigger. Thank you. Bye.